আপনিও যদি এভাবে প্রতিদিন ইংরেজি চর্চা করেন, আপনিও হতে পারেন একজন ফ্লুয়েন্ট স্পিকার। সো চলেন আমরা ইংরেজি চর্চা শুরু করি। হ্যালো, হাউ আর ইউ টুডে?
Hello, I am fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm pretty well.
Well, thank you very much. So could I know your name, please?
Sir, my name is Omar Farooq. My friends and all my family members call me Farooq. If you feel comfortable, you may call me Farooq. It's
Farooq. Wow, nice name. And where are you from?
so basically I'm from Dinaspur, which is well known for natural places, Dinaspur Lichi, also like many things.
Many things. Very good. So how long have you been in Dhaka city?
I have been staying here for 4 months.
And how many family members do you have?
There are 4 members in my family, including my parents, my little sister, and me.
Okay. So what does your father do?
My father is an auto rickshaw driver, and right now he is on kind of sick because he had an accident at the end of 2023.
What's your future plan actually?
Uh, in the future, I will be a teacher.
So you'd like to be a good teacher. I want to know when you started your journey with RAS English here and how was your experience actually?
To be honest, when I came to Dhaka that time, I was very nervous. I joined residential batch of Rahas English Care. After coming here, I saw that many dreamers like me had come here from different parts of Bangladesh, and especially I came from North Bengal. And I kept asking myself again and again, will I be able to do it? Is it possible for me? But after 2 or 3 months later, I realized, yes, I speak English, I can speak. And it was a completely different feeling. And I proudly say that I can say I can speak English. It was a memorable, suitable memory for me.
Okay, so thank you very much. And what will you say the environment of RAS English here for learning English?
Frankly speaking, Rahas English Care is popular for easy to learn English. When I was at home that time, I saw your video on Facebook, YouTube. I listened many times. It's situated on the fifth floor of the Mukta Bangla shopping complex. But when I first came Dhaka city, that time I saw Rahas English Care. And Rahas English Care is the best institute for me.
Okay, thank you very much.